Welcome to Cooking with John.
Bacon. Hot dog.
The cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
Parchment paper. Oil of the olives. Truffle salt. Get on in there.
Powered by meats2u.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beer battered fish tacos using meats2u.com's Mahi and Fiesta Fajita seasoning. Now to start off, take your fish out of the packaging and pat it down dry with a paper towel. Then, cut your fish into 1-inch strips like so.
See?
Now on to seasoning. Make sure to season your fish on both sides before you batter it. For the batter, start off with 1.5 cups of flour, 1 egg,
That's what an egg looks like.
your favorite beer, and Meats2U's Fiesta Fajita seasoning.
Seasoning. Blink.
Mix your ingredients together thoroughly with a whisk to make sure you get all the clumpies out. Now on to frying. Place your pan with oil at medium to high heat and fry 5 to 7 pieces of fish at a time. Make sure not to overcrowd your pan. Turn your fish every 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown.
Looks like a fish stick.
Now for the sauce. Start with some non-fat Greek yogurt, about 1.5 cups. A 1/4 cup of mayonnaise,
Ew, dude.
2 whole limes, 1/2 cup of cilantro,
Cilantro.
a tablespoon of olive oil,
Oil of the olives.
2 tablespoons of Fiesta Fajita seasoning from meats2u.com, and a teaspoon of honey.
Are you serious?
Mix together thoroughly. Now to assemble your taco. Place your fish on a warm corn tortilla, blast it with some cilantro, pile on that shredded cabbage, give it a little squirt of the lime, and don't be bashful with that cilantro lime yogurt sauce. Make sure to enjoy it. And that, my friends, is a beer battered fish taco powered by meats2u.com from John.